How can I estimate future HVAC repair costs? You can estimate them by reviewing your system's age, condition, repair history, replacement parts, labor rates, and likely future problems. Start by finding your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system's installation date, model number, warranty status, and past repair records. Older systems usually cost more to maintain because important parts wear out and may become harder to find. Ask a trusted technician to inspect the blower motor, electrical components, refrigerant lines, coils, drain system, thermostat, and ductwork. Request a written estimate that separates the part price, labor, service fees, and any permit or disposal charges. To plan ahead, ask which parts may fail within the next 1 to 5 years and what each repair would probably cost in your area. A useful method is to keep a yearly repair fund based on the system's age, such as setting aside more money when repairs are becoming frequent. One detail many homeowners miss is that a small refrigerant leak can raise future costs because repeatedly adding refrigerant does not fix the leak, and some older refrigerants are expensive or difficult to obtain. Compare the expected repair total with the price of a new, efficient system, including installation, because several repairs close together can cost more than replacement. A common mistake is using a generic internet price instead of checking local labor rates, so get at least 2 written estimates. Another mistake is judging a repair only by its price, because a cheap part or temporary fix may fail again, so ask about part quality and warranty coverage. Some people also replace a system too quickly when a simple repair would be sensible, while others keep repairing an unsafe or inefficient unit for too long, so compare repair costs, energy use, safety, and the system's remaining life together. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.